What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live session, man. Market just opened. Market just now opening. Y'all excuse me, man. I just got up to the desk. I was up there at the desk earlier, but I had to handle something right quick. Let me make sure my audio is coming in, and we're gonna get to these charts, baby. You already know what it is. So we had a little gap down overnight, meaning the big money has already transferred hands. You know what I'm saying? So I would not be surprised if it's a choppy session. But we're going to see if we can find some entries and exits. And I'll let you guys know what I'm looking at, man. How everybody doing this morning? It's Friday. Got a week before Christmas. Merry Christmas to everybody if I don't get a chance to say it to you. Let me see. Let's see. Y'all let me know if my audio coming in. So SPY and QQQ, we had a gap down last night. If y'all haven't looked at the charts today. So you have a real big move pre-market or overnight, you kind of don't want to just jump into nothing yet. You want to see where the charts want to go. As you can see, ain't no move. Didn't happen. So give me 1 second. All right, as you can see, QQQ is sitting on a weekly level. That 510 level is a weekly level. Man, I used to hit off that level so much. But that 510 is a weekly level. We need a push off of this level. We need a push off of this level, either up or down, whichever way the market wants to go today. And if we can get a push and push above or below, more below yesterday's low, if we can get under this pre-market low that I marked on my chart before the session even started. I do this early every morning. Mark your pre-market and your pre-market low and your pre-market high. Make sure you mark those levels. I'm just scanning the charts. If you see me looking back and forth, I'm just scanning the charts. Give me 1 second. That's crazy. Where's my stuff at? All right. Yeah, as you can see, SPY QQQ hasn't made any significant move yet. It's only 9:34. If you guys don't know, yes, I do wait about 15 minutes, especially if I don't see a great move. I like this AMD trying to get above this 119 level. And if y'all see something before I do, let me know in the comments. You know what I mean? We all working together, man. Everybody know what a good chart look like. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know if you see something before I do. This Apple's trying to get below yesterday's low. You see that? If we can get under yesterday's low, you see how it went up and came down? Yeah, I like that Apple right there. Get on down there, Apple. If we can get a push down, then a pullback off of this level right here, we can find us an entry. Off of this pre-market low, we can find us an entry. Still scanning the charts. See what I see. It is Friday, man. So once we hit one good one, I'm out of there. I don't play with Friday like that. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of volatility going on Fridays. Now, unless I see a great chart. There we go, Apple. Yes, sir. I like that Apple. Got a pivot point. Okay, Apple. Keep on pushing. Is that what you want to do? That's what you want to do today, Apple? Let's see if we can retest this pre-market low on Apple and see if we can find us an entry. But it might just be faking everybody out. Y'all know Wall Street don't want us to make no money. They gotta fake us out, man. Let's see. We got Microsoft down 6% today. Microsoft is sitting around Microsoft is sitting around a weekly level. Look at Apple. Y'all see Apple? Yes, sir. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see on Apple, man. That is what we like to see. Oh, I got y'all on the Tesla chart. Let me fix that. I'm so sorry. Give me 1 second. All right. We should be good. All right, we got the charts right. But y'all, look at this Apple right there. So we can break down below and hold below this pre-market low right here. This is my pre-market low. This dotted line and this solid line is my yesterday's low. When the market closed, that's yesterday's low. So as you can see, the charts are trying to push below those levels. I don't like how QQQ and SPY is looking for the bulls, but we'll see. It might be just reversing right here. We'll hold tight and see. What is that? Netflix. Okay. Got a break and retest on Microsoft. Yeah, my bad. I know only SPY was showing. Look at that QQQ. Yeah, let's push. Let's give us some pushes today. I want to see a trend today, man. I want to see a trend today. You see how Apple is pulling back on this pre-market low. Apple is pulling back to this pre-market low. They're trying to go up, look like. Look at AMD. AMD. Okay, SPY, QQQ. That's what I like to see, a push. We might get us a good trend today that we can dive into. I don't want to miss this Microsoft. Oh man. Perfect entry. If you're aggressive trader, that's a perfect entry right there on Netflix. Right above that 200 moving average. Held above that 200 moving average, and it surpassed the pullback candle. That's a nice push on Netflix. But we wanted to break our levels and then find a pullback. We wanted to break our levels and then find a pullback. So it looked like Apple reversed a little bit. Let's check and see if we just retesting levels. Ooh, AMD is taking off. but we retesting. We can retest this low right here. This dotted line is my pre-market high. We can retest that. That'll be a strong support level. We can stay above that level. Amazon is down 2% today. Amazon look a little choppy at the moment. Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, AMD, still sitting around a strong weekly level. It's only 9:41. The market's only been open 6 minutes. We're gonna hold tight, man. Hold tight and find us the perfect entries, man. I'm just scanning these charts. Give it some time. Let the market see what it wants to do. 30 all day. OTV. Shh. Stop texting my phone, man. Anyways. So I like how Tesla is holding yesterday's low. Y'all see this retest? AMD is retesting this pre-market high. If we can retest this pre-market high and get us a good little rejection, like it's rejecting right now, if we can get a good rejection and get a push off of this 119 level, we can find us an entry. But let me see what what Google doing today? Oh my God. Google. Google not doing nothing right now. No, we just holding patient, man. There's no clear trend to be seen right now. We just holding tight. I like this pullback on this AMD though. I like this pullback on this AMD. Excuse me. Yeah, if we can get above that 119 level on AMD, that'll be a pretty good move. Yeah, on AMD. We got a slight pullback right now. Slight pullback right now. I like how AMD is holding this pre-market high. Let me see. Do y'all see anything else? Because I don't see nothing else that's moving. Apple. I was pulling back. And it didn't maintain that pre-market high. So I don't like that right there. Y'all see how it didn't maintain that pre-market high? I needed to get above that pre-market high, that dotted line right there. And I needed to hold above, at least one candle close above before it gives it a push if it wants to push above that 119 level. We can't control the market. We gotta just get in what we fit in. Let the market do what it want to do. Okay, I like this Apple. Haven't really seen no big move in the market yet. We did have a big gap down yesterday. So I wouldn't be surprised of this choppiness in the market. Y'all see that AMD right there? So we had a slight pullback. It bounced off the 9 EMA. And now we hopefully we can get a good push, a bullish push. Tesla down 11% today. A lot of tight, choppy action right now. See how these candles are real tight. Nothing to trade right now, man. We just got to watch the market at the moment. We just got to watch the market. This Apple need to break these lows, man. I need a break of these lows. If Apple really want to push down, it is 9:46. We got about 14 minutes on the 2-minute candles. Got about 14 minutes on the 2-minute candles. And then we're going to go over to the 5-minute candles. I go over to the 5-minute candles at 10 o'clock because it gives me a clearer picture. I don't have to look at a whole bunch of 2-minute candles. And that's why you make all the money, most of your money on that 5-minute chart. Let's see if we can break these levels with Apple, these lows right here. We need to break these 2 lows for me to find an entry. Hold and tight. I needed to push off of that level. I don't see nothing at the moment, man. Nothing has gave me a push. If you swung puts, boy, you in the money right now. If you swung puts last night or this week sometimes. If you swing them puts. Let's go, Apple. We closed under 1 level. I like that. We need to close under this 2nd level for me to find an entry on Apple. Let's go. Give me a push, Apple. Okay. There we go. There we go. Every market is rejecting its highs right now. Every chart that I see is rejecting its highs right now. Tesla is getting under previous day low. Tesla is rejecting the 420 level. Let's see. Can only do what the market wants us to do, man. You gotta wait for the market to give you a push for you to find an entry. I'm only looking for A+ setups. I like that push from Apple. If we can close under that level, if this candle can close under this level, and we can retest this pre-market low, I can find us an entry. I like to see that. Meta. We're rejecting a little bit. We rejected those lows a little bit. Now we're going back up into range. Yeah, I need these levels to break these pre-market highs, like that green line, red line. I needed to break those pre-market highs and those pre-market lows. That's how you know you're going to get you a good trending day, when it breaks those levels. If it stay into them ranging areas, choppy day, baby. We're going to have a choppy day. But Hopefully we can break these levels here pretty soon. I like this Meta right here. Apple finally give me a push. There we go, Apple. You gonna go like that, Apple? Let's see if we can close on the pre-market high on Apple. I mean, pre-market low. If we can close under this pre-market low, it's rejecting a little bit right now. Staying patient. You got to stay patient. You said, am I trying to short AMD? Let me see. I was trying to short AMD, but as you can see right here, it's sitting on a weekly level right here. This is a weekly level, and it's still holding open price. So it's not a great short right now. I would like it to break these levels. This is the pre-market low right here. I needed to break this pre-market low for me to even try AMD. You know what I'm saying? It's better charts that looking way better right now, like this Apple right here. Most of these, I see better charts than AMD at the moment. At first, AMD was looking pretty good, but I'm not trying to short AMD right now. I'm still scanning. The market hasn't given us a good trend yet. I am a trend trader, so I find the trend. Once I see the trend of the day, I get into the trend. As you can see, SPY and QQQ just rejected these lows. So we need to get us a push down past these lows. These pre-market lows are these red lines right here are my pre-market lows. I need those levels to be pushed and closed above or under for me to find an entry. I do like this Apple though. Apple is playing with this low right here. As you can see, we're still holding them highs. So that's a good indication that we have a strong resistance up here. All this consolidation is just a strong resistance for us. So we know if we get under this resistance, this consolidation, if we get under that level, we could have a good push past this level because we got a strong resistance at the top. So all I'm trying to do is wait for Apple to pass this pre-market low. It looks like it's tapping off a VWAP. I mean, it looks like it's tapping off a 9 EMA right now, that green line. It's tapping off of that green line right there. So I needed to push off of there, and we're gonna look for puts. Like I said, market is kind of still choppy. Apple is the best chart that I see at the moment. I do trade 9 stocks. I mean, I do trade 11 stocks. My bad. SPY, QQQ, Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Google, Netflix, and Tesla. Those are the 11 stocks that I trade. I trade the S&P. Let's go, Apple. Let me get a push. Can we get a push past these lows? I need a push. Everything is just chopping right now. Everything is just chopping right now. Everything is choppy. I did say don't be surprised if you see chop because we already had made a big gap down in the pre-market. We already made a big gap down in the pre-market. I need this Apple to come down. Come on, Apple. I need this Apple to come down past this consolidation, and then we can find us an entry on Apple. I'm scanning other charts right now. Everything is going back in range. I guess that's post FOMC for you right there. Let's go, Apple. Apple gonna give me a push in a minute. I'm just waiting on it. Nvidia is sitting between 2 weekly levels. We got Tesla trying to come back up past open price level. Amazon choppy. You see, we going sideways. We need it to go up or down. It's going sideways, man. There's no trend to even find an entry. You know what I mean? Amazon is going sideways. Netflix sideways. Y'all see this? Google still sideways. You see what I'm saying? You don't want to trade that. You want to wait for a push off of those consolidation points, either up or down. Yeah, AMD still kind of choppy. See how it went up, went down, now it's going back up. That's how you know a chart is just ranging. It's just choppy. It's trying to take people money. Don't put your money in that chop. You don't want to trade that chop. SPY hasn't figured out a direction yet. QQ, same thing. Apple is going back up into range. You see what I'm saying? That's choppy action. You don't want to trade that at the moment. So all we can do is hold tight. All we can do is hold tight. We got 4 more minutes. When the chart hit 10 a.m., we are going to move to the 5-minute charts. We're going to move to the 5-minute candles. Come on, Apple. Can you give me a push, please? QQQ is rejecting its lows. SPY is rejecting the highs. I need Apple to get under this pre-market low. Not throwing my money in that chop, man. Not throwing my money in that chop. You will lose your money. Don't do it. Apple is the best looking chart right now. Okay, Apple, we got us a push, finally. But what you gonna do though? I need to break these lows. I needed to break these lows. Come on, Apple. Meta went back up in range. Google, Netflix back in range. Everything is back in range right now. Apple is the only level that's broken the pre-market levels. Apple is the only level. It hasn't even broke it yet. It's still sitting on the level, but so it is 9:59. I am going to go ahead and move to the 5-minute candles. I'm going to the 5-minute candles, baby. 5-minute candles. AMD. Go all the way to the 5 minutes. And all this does is give me a clearer picture with less candles. Early in the pre-market, I do need those 2-minute candles just to see the push. Because if you wait in the first 5 minutes of the market open, you're not gonna get a great visual of what's going on in the first 5 minutes if you're using a 5-minute candle. That's why I wait till 30 minutes to go to the 5-minute candles. So same thing with Apple. We need to break below these lows. I like how it's holding these highs, so we can break below these lows. That's a good indication for puts. That is the main watch that I'm watching right now, Apple, at the moment. Nothing else is doing nothing for me. I don't see nothing else. And that's okay. When you see nothing, do nothing. When you see nothing, do nothing. Let the market come to you. We got a lot of choppy action right now. Apple keeps rejecting this level. It keeps rejecting VWAP. I need it to break these lows. If we can break these lows, we can get us a good push. Y'all give me 1 second. I think my son just woke up. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Like the market trying to push up today. That's what we're gonna do today. Look at Apple. They don't even want to touch my level. Y'all give me 1 second. Apple still ain't giving me no push. What you want to do, Apple? Look like the charts are trying to push up. Y'all see that? Get some choppy action right here. Damn, they're gonna give us some chop on a Friday. That's crazy. Give me 1 second. Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. All right, we good. We good. We good. Mic check. Man, my audio was tripping. My bad. We good. We good. We good. Man, my audio was tripping. My bad. I'm still here. I'm still here, man. All right, look like we rejected those lows on all the charts I see. We still are in chop right now. As y'all can see, we haven't seen no kind of big move, push up or down. It went up a little bit, but came right back into range. That's a good sign that the charts want to consolidate today. Just a ranging day, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. It's just rejecting the little highs that it's trying to make. We got small rejections. They still sitting in range. Look at these charts, man. All these charts are sitting in range right now. There's no reason to trade these charts. Look, this went down, went up. Tesla is kind of giving a push, but I need Tesla to sit over that 200 moving average. You see how we went up, now we're coming right back down. All the charts are ranging right now. It's a ranging session right now. So we can't do nothing until we break these pre-market lows and pre-market highs, man. Some days you just have days like this. Now I've seen days like this where it break these lows and it'll sit in between these lows and highs, and about 11 o'clock, everything will just start breaking out and giving me a great trend. So we just gonna hold tight, man. NVIDIA on the rise. Let me see. Yeah, I see NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, I need NVIDIA to let me get to NVIDIA's chart. Actually, I'm about to put it right here in the middle. All right. So there's a weekly level sitting right at 131, and that's exactly where my pre-market high is on NVIDIA. So for me to find an entry on NVIDIA, I want to, right now it's sitting above the 200 moving average, which is a great confluence. That's a good support level. We needed to break this pre-market high level. If it can break and hold this pre-market high level, once it gets up on top of it, if we can break and retest, I'll find an entry. But these are 5-minute candles, so unless we get a strong push, it's gonna take us about 5, 10, 15 minutes to get up there. It's a waiting game, you know what I'm saying? Garbear, it's a waiting game. Tesla on the rise a little bit also. Yeah, I like that NVIDIA. NVIDIA kind of giving us the strongest push. That could be an entry right there if you're an aggressive trader. But you could get in right there, and your stop loss would be the 200 moving average. If the chart comes back down and hits that stop loss, that 200 moving average, you get out. But I wouldn't be aggressive right here because we have a strong weekly, that blue level. That's a strong weekly level. We needed to get above that level and then close and hold above that level. And then we can find us an entry. That was a good call out though. I ain't see that. I damn sure didn't see that. Google. Okay, Google. QQQ. I like how we held all these lows. You know what I'm saying? We held those lows. That's a great bullish sign right there. That's a great bullish sign. We held the lows. Because think about it. If the market opened and we just start dropping down, you know, everything is very weak. We tried to drop down and it held everything. And now everything is pushing up. So now we know the momentum is bullish. Now, bullish means is I use bullish because bulls strike up, bears strike down. So if I say bullish, that means I think the chart is going up. If I say bears are in control right now, that means the chart is going down. All right, we finally getting a push. Tesla is pushing above 200 moving average. Let's go, NVIDIA. You gonna get past my levels? Look like you want to. That 131, man, that's a strong weekly level. Let me put my pivots up. You see how my pivot is sitting right at that level? That's a pivot point. You see that P that's marked right there? That means that's a pivot point. So I have seen charts fly past pivot points, but it could close up above that pivot point, and then that pivot point might be right there would be a strong support level. But you see that pivot point is sitting right on my pre-market high, so I already got that level marked, so I really don't need this pivot up right now. But that is a good rule of thumb. If you don't like drawing your support and resistance level, or if you don't like drawing your levels on your chart, you can use that pivot. It's called Pivot Traditional Auto. And those pivots will tell you where the consolidation points are, meaning where we can move to. I like this NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA, get your ass up there. There you go. Tesla. Look at Tesla. I like this Tesla as well. But I already know Tesla contracts probably $1,000 a piece right now. Tesla contracts are always high, especially when you see some a push in the market. But that, if you're an aggressive trader, you can get in Tesla right now. And your stop loss can be that 200 moving average that's sitting right there. If the chart turns around and breaks up below that level, get out. But that's a great entry right there if you're aggressive. Because you know Tesla one of those charts that can just run all day. $433. Where's the next consolidation point for Tesla? Because I might get an entry on Tesla. I don't like that it ain't broke my levels yet, but I like that it held the lows and it's sitting right above. But I need this SPY to get above its 200 moving average. Still watching the video, man. Damn, that Tesla looking good. Fuck. but I ain't gonna get in it yet. I need to pull back. We're on 5-minute counters, man. We gotta wait for these 5-minute counters to close. Tesla is looking good off of that 200 moving average. Tesla's holding that 433 level. We got a little rejection on the video. Yeah, I like how NVIDIA's trying to push past this level. Let's see what it does, though. Tesla held above the 200 moving average. I like this Tesla. Actually, I'm gonna take a small entry on Tesla. I'm in Tesla right now. I like how it's sitting above this 200 moving average. I'm in Tesla calls right now. It's kind of aggressive. If it hits this 200 moving average right here, I'm out of there. It's kind of aggressive, but I just like how it's holding above this 200. NVIDIA, I needed to close above my pre-market high. I am in Tesla right now, though. It is still in range. It's kind of aggressive entry, but we're going to see what it want to do. We need NVIDIA to get past those levels, that pre-market high right there. Tesla rejecting a little bit. We still holding. I'm only down 10% right now. NVIDIA trying to give us a push. Still holding Tesla. If Tesla breaks below this 200 moving average, I will get out. Down 19% right now. Let's hold and see what this candle wants to do. Okay, we got a low rejection off of the 200 moving average. I like to see that. Still don't like that SPY has not gained any momentum above the 200 moving average. QQQ has. Y'all see QQQ? QQQ is strong. Damn, that's a good entry right there on QQQ. Shit, look at that. Oh man, missed my entry. It's not a pullback, but it's holding two levels. It's holding my pre-market low and my pre-market. Damn, it's holding my pre-market low and my 200 moving average. I like that. Damn, QQQ. And it's bouncing off a strong level. Y'all see this level right here? That's a strong level. All right, Tesla, we kind of coming up. We back in the green on Tesla. Damn, QQQ. Yes, that's what I like to see right there, man. You see how you just wait for the market? How was 131.40 pre-market for NVIDIA? 130.72 shows pre-market high. Let's go see. I could be wrong. I could have marked it wrong. Let me see. So pre-market high, as you can see, this blue area right there is last night when the market closed. This yellow area is this morning. This morning when the market closed. It's all pre-market though. You know what I'm saying? So I marked the high of yesterday's aftermarket and this morning's pre-market. So it was sitting on a level right here, but all I did was bring it up above that level just so I can see it. You see what I'm saying? But don't think of levels as, hey, this exact level I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm up 5% on Tesla, by the way. But don't think of a level as, hey, this is the exact level I need to touch. No, you want to think of a level as an area. So I needed to pass this area. That's why I keep saying I needed to get above this area. You know what I'm saying? That's why I keep saying that. I needed to get above those levels. So if I have a level, just think of it as an area. You know what I'm saying? It's one line, but just think of it as an area. You know what I'm saying? Like my first profit target is this pre-market high right here. But yeah, that's a good question. But yeah, I have that line marked, but you got to think of it as an area. Yes, it's what was it, 170 something, but you just want to think of it as an area. 130.174. Yeah, the actual exactly where the high was is 131.37, but I just put it up a little above it just so I know it's off of that level. You know what I'm saying? I just trade more cautious rather than, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's called aftermarket and pre-market, but all of it is pre-market. You know, all of it was overnight action. You want to mark those highs and those lows for that action that happened. You know what I mean? I was up 5% on Tesla. Now I'm down 3%. Let's see if Tesla wants to keep bouncing off. That's a good entry right there on NVIDIA. Whoever was asking about NVIDIA, but it's probably a little too late. I ain't gonna cap. Damn, NVIDIA. That's a good chart. Y'all seen the video? Still waiting on Tesla. Damn, NVIDIA. Still holding Tesla. We're back in the green. I'm up 3%. My stop loss for Tesla is this 200 moving average. If we get below that 200 moving average, I will get out. QQQ was taking off earlier. Let's see what QQQ doing. QQQ is surpassing my pre-market high level. Tesla don't know what it want to do right now. Okay, Tesla. Come on now. Did anybody get into that in the video? Because the video taking off. You could have got in right when it closed above that level, and that could have been your entry right there. Damn, we got some slow action today, man. It's moving, but it's kind of slow. Apple. Oh my God, Apple. Yeah, everything running up. Yep. I'm trying not to miss nothing. Amazon. Damn. If you didn't find you an entry, man, you might be out of luck, man. Let's go, Tesla. We up 14% on Tesla. Let's go. I need 20%, and I'm gonna take my first trim. There we go, Tesla. There we go. That was a perfect entry off of the 200 moving average. We up 20%. I'm taking a small trim. We up 20%. Taking the trim. I told you guys, all I look for is 20, 30, 40% trades. I don't look for 100% trades every day. I don't look for 100% trades. I look for 20, 30%, 40%. Now, sometimes usually every week I usually hit by 80, 100% trades. I hit it once or twice, but not every day. Every day is not a 100% day. Right now, I'm up 17% on Tesla. I already took a small trim. I don't have nothing but runners in. My runners, I will let them run till break even. That's how you make your money. Let your runners run to break even. That was a good move on Tesla. Did anybody catch that Tesla with me? I know I ain't tell you guys my strike price. I just told you calls, but if you know how to get into a contract, you know how to get in, how you fit in. Maybe I should make a video though. Does everybody know how to get into contracts, bro? We up 18% on Tesla. Let's go. 20%. Let's go, Tesla. Let's go. 24%. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all see how we waited patient all morning? We waited patient all morning and we just got to the chart. You know what I'm saying? We waited patiently. Exactly. Anybody catch that Tesla with me? We up 23% on Tesla. I'm still holding runners. Yes, that's what I like to see, man. Oh my God, I should have gotten that QQQ. We up 29% on Tesla. Tesla. We up 30%. Hey, Garbeer, to be honest, I should have told y'all my strike price. I paid $1.60 for these contracts, bro. You have to go. I just went out of the money a little bit to get the cheaper contracts. Because when Tesla moves, it moves. You know what I'm saying? Tesla ain't going to play with you. It's going to move for real. So I always choose, like, I always choose out of the money contracts on Tesla just so I can get a cheaper expiration point. I'm up 45% on Tesla as we talking right now. I'm up 48% on Tesla. I'm still holding though. I'm still holding. Yeah, I just bought the cheaper contracts. The contracts I bought were the 445 strike prices. I should have just told y'all the strike price. My bad. They were $1.60 a piece. So basically $160. You know, you gotta times everything by 100 in the stock market. We up 37% on Tesla. I'm still holding. Great fucking entry on Tesla, man. I told y'all. Come on now. Y'all drop me a like, man. Y'all drop me a like. This is why I do this shit live in your face, so people won't say I'm capping. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, Tesla. Tesla's still pushing 46%. We up 46% on Tesla. There's no reason to get out of Tesla right now. Y'all see that? I needed to push above this pivot point right here. Let's go, Tesla. Let's go. Let's go. We up 50% on Tesla. 58% on Tesla. I was assuming right at the money, so they're around 500. Nah, bro. So Tesla, I always go out of the money. And we up 62% on Tesla. Let's go. 200. Oh, man. 68% on Tesla, man. We up 68% on Tesla. I'm going to take a small trim right here. All right. I only got a couple runners in now. We up 70%, man. Let's go. We up 70% on Tesla. I'm going to just let it ride. We up 80% on Tesla. 80% on Tesla. 84%. Damn, I had to turn my camera off because my son woke up. I'm losing a lot of footage right now, but it's all good, though. We up 81% on Tesla. But yeah, Tesla, one of those charts you just got to watch, man. Tesla will move so weird. But when it goes, it's going to go. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to go at least $10 whenever it figures out the trend for that day. That's just how Tesla works. Tesla, I always see at least a $10 move on Tesla every day when it's having a good trend and chart. We're still up 73% on Tesla. There's no reason to get out right now. I will move my stop loss up to this consolidation right here for the runners, but to be honest, my runner's about to be break even because I know how Tesla run on Fridays. I'm up 81% right now on Tesla. I'm up 81% on Tesla. Give me 1 second. Oh shit, we up 109%. Oh man, we up 109%. As I'm trying to put my son back to sleep, man. Y'all see why I like to do this shit at the house, bro? My son woke up. I'm still up 114% on Tesla. We got in down here. I had to turn my camera off, man, but we still up 120% on Tesla, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Damn. Anybody get in with me? We up 115%. I'm just gonna let this runner run. If we close below this pivot point, I'll get out on my runner just so I can keep my runner a healthy green. You know what I'm saying? I got in when I seen this. I got in Tesla when I seen this counter right here hold the 200 moving average. Soon as that next counter opened, this third counter right here, soon as this counter opened, I got in just because I liked how it was just sitting. I told you guys it was aggressive. I'm up 135% on Tesla right now. I held this bottom right here. I mean, I held this it held this 200 moving average. That's why I stayed. I'm up 150% on Tesla. 150% right now. 160%. Oh my God. Y'all see this? Oh my God. Oh my God, man. I need to start me a Discord, bro. I'm up 154% on Tesla. I got in right here. Right when I seen my 200 moving average. This is one of my indicators. Right when I seen this 200 moving average holding, that's when I got in. The power of trading, man. The power of option trading. What I just made right now, I can't even make that at a regular job in a day. Hell no. Not even close to it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm still up 142%. The power of option trading, man. Y'all need to tell a friend about this shit. That's why I told you guys when I found option trading, that was it. It was over with. I'm up 171%. Let's go. Go ahead and push, Tesla. If that's what you want to do. If that's what you want to do, go ahead. I'm up 190%. 190% right now. It's gonna pull back probably, but I'm still in. There's no reason to get out the trade right now. I am up 157%. We got to pull back right now. It's pulling back. It's probably gonna retest its pre-market high right now. I'm up 164% on Tesla. I got in down here when it passed this 200 moving average. There we go, Tesla, 187%. Oh my God. Man. Think about it. My contracts are 160. My contract costed $160. These contracts are up $400 a piece. I'm up 201% on Tesla right now. I'm about to go ahead and take this money though, to be honest, because I only got a couple runners in right now. But I'm finna wait and see if Tesla want to give me some more push. Tesla trying to pay the bills for the whole month. Okay, Tesla, go ahead. If we get it below this pre-market high, I'm getting out. I'm getting out on the runners just because I'm up 150% still, and you don't get that every day. You know what I'm saying? So take your profit when you see a strong pullback. But if we pull back below this pre-market high, I'm going to get out. Yeah, like as you can see right now, it's rejecting a little bit. Let's see what you want to do. Still pushing down. Probably about to get out this runner. Let me see. I'm up 140% still. Okay, we bouncing off of pre-market. Let's see. We pulling back. Still up 140%. Let's see. This is my pre-market high level. You see how I told you, Garbear, all these levels, the charts are going to react off these levels. So that's why those are my profit points. I take profit at those points. The 441 level is rejecting. Still up 140%. 140%. Probably about to get out. Just take my money. Call it a day. It's Friday. Y'all know how Fridays work. But I want to get us a rejection off of this. See if we can get another push. Yep, I'm out of there. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of Tesla. Closed Tesla at 130%. There we go. That was a nice trade. That was a nice trade. Closed Tesla at 130%. So let's go ahead and recap this trade. As you can see, I seen Tesla coming up. It passed the open price right here. Tesla passed this open price right here. Open price is a strong support or strong resistance level. Once it passed open price, I knew, okay, we are holding the lows. I kept saying it the whole live. I kept saying it. We are holding the lows. We're holding the lows. My bad, I don't have my camera on right now. My son woke up, but I'm still going to give it to y'all. It held the lows. Look at Tesla bouncing back. It held the lows, and as soon as it passed the 200 moving average and it held above the 200 moving average, I told you guys, I just posted a short this morning, no cap. I just posted a short this morning talking about how strong the 200 moving average is as a support level. And guess what it just did? It held the hell out of that 200 moving average. It stayed above it, and I just got in aggressively. I got in at when it held the 200 moving average, got in right here. I told you guys, hey, if my chart, if it goes back down under this 200 moving average, I'm getting out. And as you can see, I got a push. When it went all the way up to the top, we was sitting at 220%. When it came back down, my runners got about 140%. So that's a decent day, man. Think about it. If you put $2,000 in, you would have made $6,000 because you would have made $4,000 off of your 200% plus your $2,000 that you put in. You see what I'm saying? Think about that, man. That's the power of fucking options. That's a good exit on Tesla. Y'all see how I exited Tesla? And Tesla ass pulling back right now. I ain't got time to sit in that, man. If I had more runners, I ain't have a lot of runners in, but if I had more runners, I probably would have sat through that. But I'll take my 200% and call it a day, especially on a Friday. You know what I'm saying? Sweet life meat. Nah, I was in Tesla. I just got 200% on Tesla. 200% on Tesla. Oh, that's Mika. Yeah, I was in 200. I was in Tesla meat. I just got 200% on Tesla. But yeah, man. Let's see what else. Garber, you ain't find you a field or nothing? Damn, Garber, I should have told you. Damn, I should have told you I was choosing the lower strike price. Yeah, when I see Tesla taking off, I know Tesla can move. So I had like I said it earlier. I think I had like the 445 strike prices. They were only $1.60 a piece. And that's what I do sometimes. Sometimes I just go, look at Apple. Sometimes I just go onto the broker and just to see what the prices are for the contracts. And I seen them cheap ass prices up there. Meaning, I bet you everybody seen that chop and didn't want to trade today. But we sat through it, you know what I'm saying? I sit through that chop. I'll wait. Like I stated in the whole video, in the whole live this morning, we're gonna sit and wait until the market gives us an entry. And you see it gave us an entry. Look at Apple. I like the Apple right there. You see the market gave us an entry, and we just hit Tesla for 200%. Whoever was in here when I hit Tesla for 200%, let them know. Because I don't want nobody saying I'm capping now. I will put my screenshots on Instagram later, man. Find me on Instagram in the description. But yeah, when Tesla passed this 200 moving average, we got in, we held that level. We held that level. I said my stop loss is going to be this 200 moving average. You see how Tesla went up? It went up to 200%. I got out right when it started pulling back right there. That's when I got out. I got out at about 140, 150%. But Meek, you see how when it go up, it come back down? You see what I'm saying? The other day when Powell was talking, it went up, and I kept telling you them pullbacks. You got to go ahead and take your money, or else you're gonna sit through that pullback. I take my money. You know what I'm saying? I was up 200%. Why not take your money? Think about it. You go work a regular job. It's gonna take you all day to make $150, $160, $200. I made that the first damn 2%. You know what I'm saying? And we just got 200% on Tesla. The power of options, man. The power of option trading. But yeah, man, Garbear, we're gonna hit one. We're gonna hit one again, Garbear. Garbear say you scalped the $20 on 457 call previous candle. What, on Tesla? You got in on Tesla, Garbear? Yes, sir. That was a nice trade, man. Damn, that was a nice trade. I wish I would have had my face on that, but my son woke up, but it's all good. I get money with him right here in my arms. Let's go, baby. But you guys, man, that was a great trade on Tesla. Yeah, that last green one. Oh, you hit that last green one? Oh, okay. Yeah. But next time, get in at a great support level. Just follow me, Garber. I got you, bro. Get in at that support level, and we're gonna just ride it up like we just rode. I just rolled Tesla up for 200%. I got in right here. I rolled Tesla up all the way up here. When I started seeing a pullback, that's when I got out. 200% on Tesla. But yeah, man, y'all drop me a follow, man. Drop me a follow, man. I'm live like this every morning. I'm live day trading every morning. Look, Tesla about to tap off of that 9 EMA. That's another entry if you're aggressive. I ain't gonna tell you to be aggressive right now. I already made my money. I ain't even finna get in here and play with it. But that's a good entry. A tap off of that 9 EMA right there. That's a good entry. But if it was me, I would want it to pass this pre-market low. I mean, this pre-market high and that previous day high levels, or at least pass one of these levels to sit and hold above that level. Then I will find an entry and I will use a stop loss of the pre-market high. But yeah, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see Garbear, man. Y'all see the comments. Y'all go look at the comments. I ain't even gotta say nothing. Garbear been here the whole time. He seen me hit this 200% on Tesla. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day, man. I already made my money for the day. I'm gonna get off these charts. I ain't even gonna play with it no more. 200% on Tesla. I will be live Monday morning, 9:25 sharp. Man, y'all tune in with me, man. It's your boy Clark. Y'all catch me on Instagram. I will be posting latest stock updates. I will be posting my games, other kind of free knowledge, man. I'm trying to help you guys. I'm for the people. I want all of us to win, man. Everybody, we all need to win. Everybody, not just the rich people need to be knowing about these stocks. We need to know about this shit too, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's your boy Clark. Y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'm up out of here. All right. My Instagram is in the description. Instagram is in the description. The same, it's the Clark Way TV. The same thing as my my name, the Clark Way TV on Instagram. The Clark Way TV on Instagram. Look at my description. I should have it in there. Just hit 200% on Tesla. All right. Y'all have a good day, man.